10 Cool Woodworking Projects in 2021. Nothing beats the satisfaction of working on some cool woodworking project either all by yourself in DIY fashion or along with your buddies. In this list of plans and projects, we have curated keeping in mind users of all kinds, from newbie hobby woodworkers to professional level woodworkers. All the wood projects mentioned in the list are easy to do except a few which may require you hone your skills before you attempt them. If this is your first time diving into the world of cool wood projects, then read slowly and pick a project that's the easiest and work on it. Once you attempt a wood project, the sense of having made something out of wood by your hands will give you enough confidence to attempt complex woodworking projects in the future. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 40 woodworking projects and plans worth trying in 2021. Savor the Edge Cutter's special list of 10 easy-to-do woodworking projects. You don't need a lot of space for all these projects, just start woodworking in your basement. Just make sure avoid all these mistakes. 1. Wooden sofa bed. Have you ever wanted a sofa that could double up as a lounging chair as well as a bed? And what if it could also turn into a tabletop? Dreams come true, right? Such furniture pieces, when bought from a furniture shop, can cost you an arm and a leg. But if you are good with woodworking, you can make one right at home. All you need is a few tools and a simple tutorial. 2. Epoxy wood LED Pendant Lights. What better way to spend your time indoors than make LED lamps that will light up your home? Not only do they look unique and brighten up your living spaces, but they are also incredibly cheap compared to traditional lamps. All you need is a live edge cookie slab. Make a drain in the slab where you can fit in the LED light strips, and then pour clear resin over them. Voila! Your one-of-a-kind lamp is ready. 3. Laminated Cedar Spiral Lamp. Talking of lighting up your home, the laminated cedar lamp spiral can add a touch of rustic and earthy beauty. Made by bending wood into a lovely spiral case, this piece will attract the attention of every house guest that comes to visit you, and soon you will have people asking you where you got the piece. This video offers a great explainer on how to make the spiral lamp. Transform your living space into a cozy and add a romantic vibe to any room with the laminated spiral lamp. 4. Sofa sleeve. Sofas are cozy, but you know what adds even more coziness to a sofa? A sofa sleeve where you can keep your hot drink without worrying about spillage. Not only that, sofa sleeves are perfect for people who live in a small space or have minimal living space. This practical addition to your sofas will eliminate the need of TV trays and tables everywhere. They make it easy to lounge on your sofa while enjoying your hot drink, and all this without having to spend a ton of money. 5. Wooden wine rack for countertops. Liven up your indoor bar with a wooden wine rack. Not only does this piece of furniture add a chic factor to your living room or den, it also draws the eye of the guests and leaves them awed. But if you don't drink wine yourself, you can use this DIY project as a gift for a friend. Who doesn't like a neat little wine rack that looks so earthy and rustic? All you need is a few essential supplies, some tools, and a little bit of time to make this nifty little gift. 6. Decorative jewelry holder. This DIY jewelry stand is a perfect replacement of fancy wall arts. Who needs an expensive, store-bought decorative piece, when you can hang and show off your lovely earrings instead? Add a pop of color and vibrance to your bedroom with this wooden stand, or gift it to that special someone in your life. Art is no longer limited to decoration, it is utilitarian too, and this earring holder epitomizes that. 7. Coat and hat racks. If the entryway to your home is cluttered, it's about time you invest in a coat and hat rack. But before you run to a furniture shop, consider building your own. With just a few basic tools, 1 hour of your time, and some elbow grease, you can make racks that will match the decor of your home and custom fit into the space. You can also fit the racks with various kinds of hooks that fit your needs. From colors, styles, to prices, there is a wide range of hooks to choose from. 8. Computer or laptop stand. If you have been thinking of upgrading your desk at home or work, you are in luck. A laptop stand that can raise your computer off the desk and add some storage space, who doesn't want that? The project is quite simple. All you need is some practice cutting the wooden parts and about an hour of your time. You'll also be able to practice using a router table in this project. 9. Folding screen. Want to give your home a vintage touch? Or simply divide a large space into smaller ones? A folding screen is the perfect solution. This piece has a variety of uses, Not only is it elegant to look at and extremely beautiful, but it can also screen off one part of the room into a home office, or study, or whatever you want. All you need is some stained white oak, or wood of your preference, and some plywood panels. Use wallpaper to match with your decor, or keep it simple, the choices are endless. 10. Wood hexagonal shelves. Want to spruce up the living room with a trendy wall piece? Or need some extra space for your books? Hexagonal shelves are the answer. These beehive shelves are incredibly jazzy, and for good reason. Hang up 3 or 4 of them, arrange them in whatever way you desire, paint them to match with your furniture, or simply use them as decorative pieces. The choices are truly endless here. Hexagonal shelves are really easy to build and require just a little bit of extra effort. Plus, they will give you the confidence to use more angles in your wood projects. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.